es un... Wow, what the fuck? Alright, that was...
Oh, that was a quick kill.
That was fast.
To breathe. Oh my god.
Where was the body?
That was quite fast.
That was really fast.
It was in the start, and it's nerds. I would know because there's
what?
2 reds
Seriously?
and yeah,
Self-report,
there's
dude.
2 reds and I'm.
Sorry,
one
wait,
red.
whoa.
Guys.
What's the reasoning behind this accusation, if I may ask?
Not me, because
Dude.
my main goal
Guys.
is to find Burrow.
Guys, wait.
Guys,
No fucking.
I don't know what's going on
let's
here.
vote out nerds first and then Dev.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Self-report.
I agree.
Wait, what? Under what reasoning are we voting for nerds?
Because Dev saw them, and if Dev lied, we have to vote Dev.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
good reasoning. Sorry, nerds. I'm gonna vote for you too. Oh,
sorry.
jeez.
Bye-bye.
Now, if you were Jimmy's mom, maybe it would be a little different.
Oh my god. Jimmy's voice.
Yeah, I have to do the impression for 5 minutes. Just pray that I don't have to.
Anyway, Burrow.
Just pray that a murder doesn't happen next 5 minutes, because if then I'm gonna have to keep doing the voice. Oh, fuck me! Why is my partner abandoning me like this? Oh my god. Hi, Dev. I want to stick with Dev. Dev's gonna trust me, I know. Dev trusts me. Oh, sorry, you have to fucking solve the door, I forgot. Why haven't they fixed the lights yet? This is cringe. Oh, lol. Hold on, wait. Wait, that's so easy. It's literally free. That's literally free! Oh, jeez.
Where was it?
Oh, jeez, somebody's dead!
Dev too
Oh my
powerful.
God. Okay, so I was on my way to fix the lights, and then I hit a wall, and then I saw the report button, so I clicked it, and I was like, oh shit, someone's dead.
Where's the body? I couldn't see it.
How many people are there left?
There's 5 people.
There's 5 people
Okay.
and 1 imposter.
No, there's 5. There's
then
4
they-
people and 1 imposter is what you mean, actually.
Yeah, 5
Why
people,
are
1
you
imposter.
doing this voice?
I got it. It's 10,000 channel points to do it for 5 minutes. I told you, you better hope there's not another murder for 5 minutes.
Okay.
You know what? Let's vote Boro just for the fun of it.
No! No!
Okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry, Bono!
Why? You're so fucking mean to me.
Imagine if Bono was the killer.
I would lose my shit. I would lose
I
my
would
shit.
lose my shit. I would lose my shit too. What the fuck?
Whoever.
I can't
whoever voted.
fucking believe this! What the fuck?
My heart. I'm sorry.
Oh my
I
god!
can't fucking... Alec, this is your fault!
That's what you get for having that redeem.
This is
That
so
was
bullshit.
amazing.
7 years of
Oh
voice
my
acting
God.
experience, and this is what it pays me?
7